Wood is one of the most popular materials used to make different types of furniture because of its rich appearance, durability, and ease of construction. Most durable furniture are made of solid wood. Plywood is used for strength and to eliminate warpage, splitting, expansion, and contraction. There is some relationship between the hardness of the wood and the type of tree the wood comes from. In most cases, deciduous trees consist of harder wood than coniferous trees, but not always. Deciduous simply refers to all leaf-bearing trees such as teak, walnut, oak, maple, mahogany, cherry, and birch. Coniferous refers to cone-bearing trees such as pine, fir, redwood, and cedar. There are several wood furniture and wood decorative pieces for you to choose from. Hello there, welcome to our channel. Today we will show you another collection of wood furniture and wooden decorative pieces for your home decor. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. We post decor and craft ideas videos on daily basis. So, if you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational daily decor and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. No doubt, there are plenty of things needed to design home. However, you cannot give a finished look without the right furniture. It improves the overall beauty. But again, there are some important things you need to consider before buying furniture. Most of the people just buy furniture without giving any importance of it. That is the reason they get mismatched or wrong furniture for the home. We need furniture for our comfortable lives. It is also used for getting some extra space, for sitting on, and for sleeping. Furniture is an important part of your home and your business, because without furniture your home or business is not completed. Furniture is the backbone of interior design and also helps to add comfort to your home. Furniture quality is mainly determined by two characteristics: method of joining parts of the wood and sturdiness of the furniture. All joinings are glued together. For quality, the joints should be tight without any glue showing. How various parts of a wooden furniture is put together are very important to durability and appearance. When we look at wood chairs or benches, they are put together using one or more of the following methods: tongue and groove, rabbeted and butted, mortise and tenon, doweled, corner blocked, screwed, glued, bolted, and stapled. The mortise and tenon consists of a socket and projection made of two different pieces of wood. The projection fits into the socket, making the joint. This type of joint is used to join the chair frame and legs to the seat and is very strong. The dowel joint consists of a wooden pin that fits into a hole drilled in the wood. Many dowels used in the construction of chairs and benches are compressed. Once glued, the compressed dowel swells inside the joint. The compressed dowel joint, which is often used to join chair rungs and arms to the seat, is often stronger than the mortise and tenon joint. Like most natural items, wood do have some disadvantages. While certain varieties of wood in association with different types of wood treatments have enhanced the general durability of wood greatly, there still are many applications for which wood is unsuitable due to durability issues. Synthetic materials and metals are often used in place of wood in cases where material needs to withstand high weight loads, extremely low or high temperatures, and high impact. Durability issues have increased the use of alternatives such as plastics in the case of traditionally all wood applications like fences. The materials in this case can last longer with lesser maintenance and can be formed to give the appearance of wood. Furniture makes your home complete. No matter how big your house is, unless you have the perfect furniture at your home, you cannot define the space. Even if you have built a small home, some quality furniture will give it a complete look. You may be aware that furniture is the only thing which can give your home any look you want. Selecting the right types of furniture, placing them at the right location matters the most. Availing the right furniture for home is your personal choice, and we hope that our today's collection have given you some inspiration. Well viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked wood furniture and wooden decorative pieces for your home decor. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comments section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.